Hi there, students. Incipient, an adjective. An adverb, incipiently. Okay, I don't think there's a verb with this though. If something is incipient, it's just beginning. So I see incipient signs of recovery in the economy. Yeah, it's just beginning. It's just starting to develop. Yeah. Okay. The incipient friendship between the two people. It's something that's just beginning to appear. Yeah. These were signs of incipient problems that were just starting to appear. So something that's incipient is just starting to develop. Yeah. Okay, so his incipient career, at the beginning of his career, maybe his first job. Okay, yes. I looked through the telescope and saw various gases that looked like they were starting to form, and this to me looked like an incipient solar system. Okay, there were signs of incipient revolution. It was beginning, it was starting, it was about to happen. It was just coming into existence. So incipient, it talks about the first stages of something. Yeah. An incipient illness. Okay, this problem is incipiently appearing. It's beginning to appear. Yeah. An incipient recovery of the economy. Yeah. Things are slowly starting to get better. There are incipient signs of this. They are beginning. Yeah. Okay. He had a midlife crisis, which was clearly an incipient sign of getting old. Yeah, there seems to be an incipient beard upon the youth's face, just a little bit of stubble. Okay, so something that's incipient, it's just starting to happen, it's just beginning. Incipient change, yeah, there are a few signs of it. The one or two green shoots from plants are an incipient sign of spring. So beginning, starting, developing, commencing, embryonic, inchoate, starting, yeah, nascent, beginning. Yeah. I could see incipient panic in the crowd. Yeah, it was just beginning to show. Okay, and this is the idea of incipient. It's something that's just beginning. Yes, the archaeologists discovered a few remains of what appeared to be an incipient town. It was starting to form. Okay, so the incipient stages of a disease, the incipient evidence of a problem. Okay, you can use this as a noun, an incipient, but it's really rather obsolete. Yeah, saying a beginner. Let's see, this is related to the word inception. Yeah, the creation of something from the beginning. Yeah, the establishment of something. So from the inception of this school, it was very successful right from the beginning. Okay, so something that's incipient is something that you can see evidence of it appearing. So formality, and this is rather formal. I think I would probably give it 6.5, maybe even 7 in formality, using a semi-formal writing or above. semi-formal conversation, maybe just. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, in capio. So to capio is to seize upon, to lay hold of something, to grab something. So I think it's starting to grab power, it's coming in, it's becoming stronger, it's beginning to commence. So I see the comments of incipient geniuses in my channel. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Incipient, incipiently.